Hi YouTubers, Terry here. I wanted to do a little project share that I have been working on and completed for now. And then I have a very few things, some stuff I got on HSN and something I got from Pick Your Plum that I wanted to share with you. Before I get back to my plum jam making, I have a plum tree in my front yard and the plums are getting ripe, and so I'm in jam making mode. But I started getting Scrapping for Less monthly card kits recently, and been trying to kind of plug away at them. And sorry, there's one thing that I didn't get. I wanted to show you. So I've been plugging away at them and doing some cards, and one of the kits came with a stamp, and these stamps are made for Scrapping for Less, and this is a little pig and a picnic basket and a sun and some cute sayings and stuff. And I decided I wanted to make some cards. I need to make a thank you card for our neighbors across the street that had a big neighborhood party on the 4th of July. So I went on to the Scrapping for Less website and looked at, they have design team members. And so I looked at the different samples of things people had made for this month, or for the month of May. And Annie Collins was a guest designer in May 2018 for them. And this is patterned after a card that she made. There's some sketches that come along with the kit. And I think this is a My Favorite Things sketch, WSC 371, that she followed. And then, so I kind of did this using that sketch and from her post, but and they don't show the inside. But and I really liked it, but I thought, oh, I could, I'd like to make some more, but maybe I'll do some things different and make it mine. And I was watching a video by Christina Werner today, and about things that you can do to make your cards better. And one of the things she suggested is, don't just go online and find something and then copy it exactly. Make it your own. So that's what I did. And of course, I don't have all the things that she used, but I changed it up a little bit. But so here's my original, but I wanted to show you, I did make 4 sets. And I really want to show you this because I like this version better. Like I said, the stamps were from here. The paper was from My Favorite Things. Tiny Checks is the paper line. There you can kind of see what I have left. I mean, I could actually make a lot more cards with what I have left, which is the coolness of it. But I, for the heart, I use it's a Gina Marie stitch die, I think. And I used this heart and popped it up. And then I just cut squares of the coordinating cardstock and pattern papers. And I made my own flag here. And I just colored these with colored pencils. And put the sequins, they come with a little sequin pack, so I put the little sequins on and did that. And then on the inside I just made a little framed pig there, using the stamp that came with it for the tablecloth. And I also use that on the envelope. And what I did to do this is I stamped the pig just in black, tuxedo black ink, along with the Let's Have a Picnic. And then I made a mask of the pig, and then stamped the red and white check using Stampin' Up! Real Red. And then I just used washi here that I had in my stash. And I was really happy with the way, and I just put washi on the back. I like to add washi or make the envelope real cute too. So I made 4 sets of those. Those are all the same. So that was really fun. I did get a few things on HSN, and I don't usually buy HSN stuff, but I was on vacation and had the time. I was sitting in the house trying to stay cool in Northern California. So I did do some shopping, and I really like most of what I got. And the other stuff, I can see that I did impulse buys, but that's okay. I still got some stuff. I had to get some more stuff because what I thought I was ordering, it wasn't what I thought. Anyway, so I'll show that when I get it. This is a Pick Your Plum, I think. This is amazing. This whole set, shipping and everything, was $20, I think, right around $20. And this is Maya Road Waxed Hemp. And Ken Oliver is the designer, and this one's fern green, and I haven't really used this stuff before, but I really love it. I put a bow in each of them. It ties awesome bows, really easy to tie, and they stay. And so I got that color and cornflower blue and kind of fall colors, orchid purple. And let me see how many yards, 100 meters. So, and this is yellow lemon and tangerine orange. So I'm so glad I got those. And then I got this jute craft string with it. It was part of it, and this is 300 meters here. So there's a ton, but there's a ton on all of this. So I'm really excited to have that in my stash. On HSN, one of the things I got was this mega runner, the Anna Griffin, and I have used it for these cards, and I really, really do like it. And I got 2 refills with it, and then it had the small tape runner, and I haven't used this yet. I need to try it out. And it had 2 refills with that, so that was a good purchase. And then one thing I'm not sure about, but I'll give it a try. This is the Boxer and Envelope Box Creator from Crafter's Companion, and this is so you can make your own size boxes and envelopes. So I need to watch the video, but I think this is like a 4-hour video, and or 2.5 hours. Okay, but I'm like, do I really want something that I have to watch a 2.5-hour tutorial in order to be able to use it? But I don't know. I bought it. So. And then online, I did get some of these. I saw in someone's video that they got on Amazon these Craftopia adhesive magnetic sheets, 8x10. This is a 10-pack, and but they do have packs of 25. But I just got the packs of 10, and it was like $12 or $13. So, and this is nice, heavy adhesive magnetic sheets. So I got that. So that is all I have to share today. I've got to get back to my plum making, but I did want to share these cute cards that I thought they turned out really cute. So I'll be back as I have more to share. Thanks. Bye.